He was like missing for like 91 days.
Damn. All right, over at Rattlesnake Ridge Trail, just reaching Stan's overlook right now. Look how compact the snow is compared to the beginning of the video when there was hardly any snow. It was just all kind of slush. It's still slush now because it's raining up here, but it's more compact, so it's a little harder to walk. But we're gonna be pulling up right here. Okami Archives, Eric. Got some cards to open up, some packs, and hopefully he gets that Dragonite. Just got to Stan's overlook right here. As you can see, we're gonna go ahead and walk down here. But yeah, I think it's about like, what, you said 3 miles or something like that?
Something like that, I think. Actually, a little over 3, I think.
So that's where we're at right now. So we're gonna go ahead and walk down there right now. But damn, look how fucking thick that shit is. All right, so we just got to the top here, and it was a long trek, and it was a little bit disappointing to see the scenery here. It does look cool, but it's a little foggy right now. And then you got this brush, kind of the trees kind of blocking a view of Kent and Snoqualmie River and all that. So it still looks really nice. It was really nice to walk up here, and then we got to see all the snow. Look how deep that is. But yeah, we're gonna see what kind of Pokemon Pack Okami Archives opens up here, and hopefully he gets the Dragonite.
Dragonite.